Today I'm going to show you how to export for Instagram. What's up everyone, my name is Salier and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export for Instagram. We're going to Premiere. Now I will take the two videos that I made. I'll take these two, drag and drop in Premiere Pro. We can have three formats in Instagram. We can have 4:5 ratio, we can have square, and we can have the 16:9 widescreen. But the most used is 4:5. It takes larger amount of video, and possibly your video can make a better engagement. So how to make a 4:5 sequence? You go to File, New, and then click Sequence, or just by shortcut Ctrl+N. The one I use and the one that most filmmakers use is go to digital SLR 180p 24 frames per second. This one will make a widescreen like 16:9, but you have to go to settings here, frame size, you have to change it to 180, and the height changes to 1350. This is the ratio, 4:5. And the sequence, for example, Instagram 4:5 ratio. This one is the most used. If you want to make a square video, you have to do a new sequence, and here just make 180 by 180. It's 1:1, and then click, for example, Instagram square. Okay, and the third one is like it's default 1920 by 180. You just click OK, or you change the name. I'm not gonna change the name right now. This is not very used because it takes a very small space and someone maybe cannot see the video. So we're not gonna use this, neither square, but we're gonna use the 4:5. So the two videos I got, this is a vertical one and this one is horizontal. So we take the vertical one, click Keep Existing Settings. I'm gonna zoom in with A. My shortcut is A to zoom in and S to zoom out. I'll tell you later about the shortcuts that I use. Now we go to Effect Controls, and here you can position your video as you want. I'd like to leave it like this. And now it's playing cool. For this video, we are done. We don't have nothing more to show. For the other one, you see it doesn't match, but you can go to Effect Controls and then scale it down to fit in, and maybe if you like, you could put a layer, a white layer behind of this. Go to Color Matte, okay, and then select a white layer. Okay, you just put this one up because the white layer should go underneath of this, and you're done. Okay, let me just 57. It's good. Or you can just scale it up and position the video. I like it like this. It's quite simple, but a useful information. So now we're going to export this video. We go to File, Export, Media, or shortcut Ctrl+M. I use that all the time. This one, you can leave it match source, high bitrate, as it is. And then go to the basic video settings, render at maximum depth. The VBR1 pass, it encodes only one time, but for a better result, you can take it to VBR2 pass. The VBR2 pass goes 2 rounds, the video will be more detailed. Use maximum render quality, check. Use previews, check. And I forgot in the beginning, you could locate your video like desktop, Instagram plus radio, save, and then export. Just click export. So this was it, guys. I hope I could help you. If I did, please give a like and a subscribe. If you want more tutorials about Adobe Premiere Pro or filmmaking in general, you can comment below and tell me your question. See you in the next video. Peace.